everyone, welcome back to my channel after a really long time. So in this video we will be covering about the burr blade design. So let's understand the three different types of angles, what is rake face, what is clearance face, and all the involved angles and their significance. So this is part 1 of the video. So let's understand what is burr design. So this is a dental burr. If I cut this in this direction and if I view it from above, then what I am going to see is this cross section of the burr, and this is the tooth structure which it is going to cut. Now if I am going to zoom a particular burr blade, then I am going to see this thing. Now this face which is present towards the cutting part is known as the rake face. If this is the direction of the rotation of burr, if the burr is rotating in this direction, then the face which is present on the cutting side in the direction of rotation, अगर ये direction of rotation of burr है, direction of rotation की तरफ जो face present होता है, that is the rake face. Towards the opposite side is the clearance face. The central line, this is the radial line. Radial line is basically the line that is connecting the center of the burr and the blade. This is the radial line. This is the radial line. This is the radial line. These all are radial lines. We are just zooming this part. So here, this is the radial line which is connecting the center of the burr and the blade. Rake face, this is a face towards the direction of cutting or the surface towards the leading edge. Leading edge मतलब आगे वाली side. This towards the leading side, this is called as a rake face, whereas the surface towards the trailing edge, जो पीछे छूट जाने वाला surface है, that face is the clearance face. Now there are three important angles associated: rake angle, edge angle, and clearance angle. Edge angle is also known as blade angle. First, let's understand what is rake angle. So rake angle is the angle that the rake face makes with the radial line. In this diagram, that ये हमारा rake face है, ये हमारी radial line है. तो जो radial line और rake face के बीच में angle बनता है, shown in pink, this is the rake angle. Angle हमेशा दो lines के बीच में बनता है. तो जो angle rake face और radial line के बीच में बन रहा है, that is known as the rake angle. Right? Blade angle or the edge angle. The angle between the rake face and the clearance face. जो angle दो face के बीच में बन रहा है, this is the rake face and this is the clearance face. The angle which is formed between these two lines, this is the edge angle, which is also known as the blade angle. Clearance angle, the angle that is formed between the clearance face and the tooth structure. Tooth structure और clearance face के बीच में जो angle बनता है, this is the clearance face, this is the tooth structure that is being cut. इनके बीच में जो angle बन रहा है, this is the clearance angle. So we are clear with this diagram that this is the radial line that is joining the center of the burr with the blade. This is the rake face that is present in the same direction as the direction of rotation of burr, or the face which is present on the leading side, this is the rake face. What is the clearance face which is present on the trailing side, जो पीछे छूट रहा है, that is the clearance face. What is rake angle? The angle between the rake face and the radial line. What is edge angle? The angle which is formed between the rake face and the clearance face. What is clearance angle? It is the angle between the clearance face and the tooth structure that is being cut. So guys, that was all for today's video. We will be continuing this with the next part of the video. So till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.